So this is the way to clean your bathtub. I have the scrubby, and then I wrap the scrubby in here, and you see my Dawn dish liquid. Dawn, I love Dawn. Hey Dawn, I love you. I clean everything with it. And then what I do, I squeeze a little bit on there, and I lay it down in the tub, and I stand. Y'all watching my feet? I stand in the tub, and I just scrub all the way around. Look how I can lift. Good exercise for those that have stiff muscles in their feet, or sometimes you get a cramp, but it's real good. And I do everything with that. Now, while I'm in here, that's down there, I take a towel and I wipe. You see how white that is? Ooh, coming all around. That's just clean, 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 clean. But anyway, that's the way you do your tub. Talk to you later.